大家好, good morning. So I just woke up and I was thinking to myself, what am I going to have for breakfast? And I heard the vegetable truck go past. I am going to go and try and find it and buy some things to make some breakfast. Let's go. Oh, there he is. No. 来来来，停停停！我要买东西，我的早餐。
要多冷啊？
你好，
你好。
早上好。
这是谁？
一个洋葱，一个苹果，球，篮球，苹果，球。
四个的
四个的
，4块钱。
4块钱啊，谢谢。Let's go cook. Perfect. So this morning I'm going to make some French toast. First thing you do, get some eggs and whisk them up. You get some bread and you put it in both sides and put it straight in the frying pan. So I've cooked my breakfast. I was going to eat in the campervan, but over here I see a lovely little area in the middle of a pond, so I'm going to go and eat over here. Let's go. This is the life. Whoa, what about that? But I have to say, I'm a great chef. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.